Urban cultivation is now transforming our cities into vibrant and sustainable ecosystems. Community gardens are the cornerstone of urban agriculture. These shared spaces foster a sense of community, promote healthy eating, and bring life to urban landscapes. They're not just places to grow food. They're social hubs where people connect and learn. Hydroponics and aeroponics are cutting-edge techniques that revolutionize plant growth. By cultivating plants in nutrient-rich water or mist, these methods conserve water, reduce pesticide use, and allow for year-round production, even in the most challenging urban environments. Vertical farming is a space-saving solution for urban agriculture. By stacking crops vertically, we can maximize productivity and reduce our reliance on traditional farming practices. This innovative approach is reshaping the future of food production. Urban aquaculture, such as fish farming, offers a sustainable and nutritious food source. When integrated with hydroponics, it creates a symbiotic system called aquaponics, optimizing resource use and minimizing waste. Rooftop gardens are not just aesthetically pleasing, they're functional and environmentally beneficial. They help mitigate the urban heat island effect, improve air quality, and provide fresh, locally sourced produce. As our cities continue to grow, urban cultivation offers a sustainable and resilient solution. By embracing these innovative techniques, we can create greener, healthier, and more equitable urban environments for generations to come.